There are 14 marbles, and the probability of the first one being blue, since there are 8 blue marbles, is 8 over 14, and the second one being red is, since there are 13 left now, and there are 6 red marbles, this is equal to, when we simplify 6 by 14, this is going to be 7, this is going to be 3, so what we have is going to be 24 over 91. The probability that I am looking for is, there are 40 even numbers between 1 and 80, so this has a probability of 40 over 80, plus how many odd numbers do we have under 10? We have 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, which makes 5, and the total probability makes 45 over 80. When I simplify by 5, we're going to have 9 over 16. There are 16 teams, and any given team could meet with any other given 15 team for the first match. And being home or away is not important. That's why I have to divide this result into 2, which gives, this is going to be 8. The result is going to be 120. There are 12 American passengers, and there are totally 12 plus 18 plus 8, 38 passengers. The probability of disembarking, first passenger disembarking being American is 12 over 38 times the probability of second passenger being an American too is, since there will be 37 passengers left and only 11 of these passengers will be American, we would calculate it this way. So this would be, when I simplify these, this is going to be 6, this is going to be 19, and the numerator is 66, and the denominator must be 703. There are 11 red balls and 11 green balls, so there are totally 11 plus 11. There are 22 balls. How many of them will be even numbered? We have numbers starting from 5 to 15, so only 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14 will be even numbered. So I have 5 even numbered red balls, and only 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16. Another 5 balls will be even numbered from the green ones. So what I have here is 10 over 22, which is actually equal to 5 over 11. There are 5 prime numbers between 1 and 12, which are 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. Plus, there are 6 numbers between 1 and 7, smaller than 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. But the problem is, right now when we did this operation, we have double calculated the prime numbers which are smaller than 7. That's why we should subtract them. How many prime numbers do we have between 1 and 7? These are 2, 3, and 5. Therefore, I should subtract 3, which gives me 8 over 12, or 2 over 3. There are 5 prime numbers smaller than 12. So the probability of drawing a prime number in the first row is 5 over 12. In the second one, there will be 11 numbers left, of which only 4 of them would be prime. So my probability would be, let me simplify this as 1 and simplify this as 3, would be 5 over 3 times 11 is equal to 5 over 33. There are 24 girls, so I have 12 blonde girls and I have 12 non-blonde girls. And moreover, what I have is there are 20 boys, of which 13 of them are blonde boys, and since I have 20, 7 of them are non-blonde boys. If you ask me where I found the 20, number 20, there are 44 students and 24 of them are girls, so the number of boys is boys plus girls is equal to 44. So boys plus 24 is equal to 44. So the number of boys is equal to 44 minus 24, which is equal to 20. And 13 of them are blonde, 7 of them are non-blonde. What they are asking me is to have a student being, the total probability is 44, to have a total student being a blonde girl, which is 12 over 44, or a boy who is not blonde, 7 over 44. So the total probability makes 19 over 44. There are 7 green marbles in a box, which consist of totally 6 plus 7, 5 plus 7 marbles. So the probability would be 7 over 18. Number of gumballs is equal to 7 plus 7, which is 14. Sorry, I have 4 more gumballs, so total number is equal to 18. 7 red gumballs, 7 yellow gumballs, and 4 green gumballs. If 2 gumballs are selected from the machine at random, what is the probability of that they are both yellow? At the beginning I have 7 yellow gumballs, so the probability of first one being yellow is 7 over 18, and the second one, now there are 17 of them yet left, and there are 6 yellow gumballs left, so the probability is equal to, when I simplify this is going to be 1, this is going to be 3, so the probability is going to be 7 over 51. There are totally 5 green and 8 yellow and 6 blue marbles in a box, and the probability of having a green marble is 5. So the total probability is 5 over 19. There are 6 green and 9 yellow marbles, and when I choose it, the probability of being yellow is 9. Since I have 9 yellow ones, is going to be 9 over 15, or 3 over 5.